rejoices beyond our race. A new and glorious dawn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night behind. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night behind. Oh, night behind.
Then try the light of faith revealing with glowing hearts by His grace to stay. So let shine the light of stars sweetly gleaming. Here came the wise men from the King of Kings came, thus in lonely nature, in all that drowns, born to be a friend. He knows our needs. In our weakness is no stranger. Behold your King, before Him, lowly babe. Behold your King.